What do you think of eyelash extensions?
But I see that it is very popular among like my clients, especially those who like are working. They don't want to like apply too much makeup and they don't want to like spend too much time on makeup before heading out the house. So I see it on a lot of people. So I feel like, okay, that's something I want to learn myself so I can do it.
What motivates you to learn this eyelash extension right now?
Okay, so like I said, I really want to promote like lesser usage of makeup and more like, taking care of your skin and caring for like the health of your skin. So I think learning things like semi-permanent makeup is better for like the skin health and for like just doing that whole natural beauty kind of thing.
Okay. So how do you feel about the session?
Fun.
We hope you enjoyed your session with our beauty recipe.
Yeah. I did enjoy it a lot and I think I'll do more courses. So.